Most traders miss out on setups like this, where a single trade could multiply your returns. Today, I'll show you how I plan to approach this high risk reward ratio setup on USD JPY with a step-by-step analysis of this particular trade. Alright, so make sure you stick around and watch the rest of the video. Let's go to the higher time frame where it all began from before we can come to this level right here. So let's go to the daily time frame. What is this market telling you? So on the daily time frame, we can clearly tell that the market has been going to the upside for a long time, and that is extremely important to understand because we are trading in the direction of the market. So let's zoom in right here. So what did we have? We had this huge drop that was happening in July. We had this huge drop to the downside on USD JPY, which scared a lot of people, right? So after this huge drop, we've decided to see price going to the upside, which is very, very important. Now the price is recorrecting and pushing to the upside. You can see that since this low was formed, the market has continuously formed higher highs and higher lows as the market keeps on pushing to the upside. And then let's go to the 2-hour time frame. So what can you see from the 2-hour time frame? We saw a big push to the upside right here. This was happening on the about last week. We saw the market pushing really big to the upside right here, and then we were left with this big imbalance candle that was left behind right here. Like you always know, whenever the market leaves such imbalance in the market always wants to feel that inefficiency, right? So we always expect price to come back to this area. So usually before such moves, we have what we call a consolidative phase, right? So we have a consolidation right here, we have an expansion, we have a retracement, and then after this retracement, we're going to expect a reversal. So this is what we are going to anticipate right now, and I'm sure most of people are actually looking at this and admiring this. And what most people are going to do is that they're going to make a mistake of trying to trade this order block right here. And most of the time what happens is that because it's too obvious, people will get taken out from here unless you put a stop loss below right there. So what I've done is that I had to go to the lower time frame. I had to find an order block right there so that I can avoid being taken out from here, because most of the time what happens is that this is too obvious, anyone can spot it. They're going to do what? They're going to liquidate this and then take price a little bit lower before price can finally continue to go to the upside. So when I noticed this, I was like, okay, this is very interesting. So what we have here is a drop based rally, and then the break of structure by big momentum candles right here, and then the market is now actually retracing to this level right here. As the market is retracing, it actually created liquidity right here, equal lows which were created, and you can see that this low right here was able to take out this liquidity right here. So right now what we are waiting for is just for the market to pull back into this area, take out the Asian session, and then we're going to look for potential buying opportunities once the market gives us an opportunity. If that doesn't happen, we won't get involved. All right, so this is how it is. Otherwise, looking at it, this is a really beautiful setup. It's actually what we call a price cycle. So we have a consolidation, expansion, we have a retracement, and then we're going to have a reversal right here, so that you can trade in the overall direction of the market on this particular trade. Otherwise, this is a very beautiful trade. So it's a 22 risk reward ratio trade, stop loss of 10 pips and a target of 226 pips right here. Absolutely amazing trade idea on USD JPY. All right, so this is how it is. Really simple. And yeah, these are some of the forecasts that we have actually shared in our private community right here. Let me just show you that all these setups here have been shared in our private community as we are actually going into this beautiful week that is starting right now. Right, so if you'd like to be part of this community, you simply just check out the first link in the description. It takes you to our M&F mastery course, where you can get the course at only $250 for lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals, plus a lot more. And if you're only interested in the signals community, you can simply text me via Telegram using the link down in the description. We charge only $50 on a monthly basis if you're only interested in that. All right, otherwise, this is a beautiful setup that we have right here, and I hope you found value. If you have, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.